Hi, my name is Yaneli and this is my Language of Anatomy video. I'm going to go ahead and start with body regions and anatomical terminology. So the hallux is the big toe, the axillary is the armpit, the buccal is the cheek on either side, the pollex is the thumb, the patellar is the kneecap, the oral is the mouth, the mental is the chin, the brachial is the arm, the antebrachial is the forearm, the crural is the leg, the umbilical is the belly button region, the femoral is the thigh, the calcaneal is the heel of the foot, the sural is the calf, which is the back of the leg, the popliteal is the back of the knee, the olecranon is the elbow, the acromial is the shoulder, and the occipital is the back of the head. The next section is directional terms, and I will be demonstrating. So the head is superior to the sternum, so here's the sternum, and the head is above the sternum. The olecranon is distal to the acromion, so the olecranon is away from the acromion, which is the shoulder. The axilla, which is the underarm, is proximal to the brachium, which is near the arm. The nose is medial to the eyes, so it's right in between. The elbow is proximal to the carpus, so the elbow is close to the carpus, which is the wrist. The sternum is anterior to the vertebral column, so the sternum is in front of the vertebral column. The umbilicus, which is the belly button region, is inferior to the sternum. So here's the sternum, and this is the belly button region, so it is below. The patella, which is the knee, is proximal to the tarsus, which is the ankle. And the ears are lateral to the nose, which means they are on either side. For the third part of this video, I will be identifying the abdominopelvic regions on myself. Going from right to left, up here is the right hypochondriac region, which contains the liver and the gallbladder. This is the epigastric region, which contains part of the stomach and the duodenum. This is the left hypochondriac region, which contains the spleen and part of the colon. Going down here is the right lumbar region, which contains the ascending colon and the right kidney. The middle here is the umbilical region, which contains the transverse colon and the small intestine. The left lumbar region contains the descending colon and the small intestine. Back over to the right is the right iliac region, which contains the appendix and the cecum. Right here is the hypogastric region, which contains the urinary bladder and the small intestine. And here is the left iliac region, which contains the sigmoid colon and part of the small intestine.